unmanned aerial vehicles have become a defining symbol of modern technology and warfare. The idea of unmanned flight isn't as modern as it seems. During World War I, the first pilotless flying machines were developed. The Kettering bug, built in 1917 by the US, was essentially a flying bomb, a crude aerial torpedo that could deliver explosives over enemy lines. Though its use was limited, it marked the start of a revolutionary concept, a machine that could fly without a pilot on board. In the 1930s, the British unveiled the Queen Bee, a radio-controlled drone used for target practice. Interestingly, the term drone came from this very invention, named after the buzzing sound it made as it flew. By World War II, the potential of unmanned aircraft became clearer. The Germans introduced the V-1 flying bomb, an early cruise missile that terrorized cities like London. These developments laid the groundwork for drones as offensive weapons, a concept that would grow over decades. During the Cold War, drones found a new purpose: intelligence gathering. Both the United States and the Soviet Union realized the potential of these unmanned machines for reconnaissance missions. The United States deployed the Ryan Firebee, a jet-powered drone capable of flying dangerous spy missions over enemy territories. But the Soviet Union was quick to respond. Inspired by captured US drones, Soviet engineers created the Tupolev Tu-141 Strizh, a fast and efficient reconnaissance UAV that patrolled skies during the 1970s. The Soviets also developed the Lot-17, a drone originally designed for missile testing that evolved into a multipurpose reconnaissance platform, proving that drone innovation was a global pursuit, not just a Western achievement. The breakthrough came with the RQ-1 Predator, a drone initially designed for surveillance. Equipped with cameras and GPS technology, it provided real-time battlefield intelligence. But its capabilities soon evolved. In the early 2000s, the Predator drone was armed with Hellfire missiles, ushering in a new era, the age of combat drones. During the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, these UAVs could strike targets with precision, minimizing risks to soldiers while delivering devastating accuracy. For the first time, drones became both watchers and warriors, dominating the skies in ways humans never could. In recent years, first-person view (FPV) drones have taken center stage in warfare. These drones are equipped with onboard cameras, transmitting real-time video to an operator wearing VR goggles or watching on a screen. FPV drones give pilots the sensation of flying from inside the drone itself, making them incredibly precise and agile. What makes FPV drones special is their versatility. They are affordable, making them accessible even to smaller military groups. They are lethal, capable of carrying explosives to strike enemy positions with pinpoint accuracy. And they are fast and maneuverable, ideal for navigating urban environments and evading detection. In the Ukraine-Russia conflict, FPV drones have demonstrated their game-changing potential. Small, agile drones rigged with explosives are being flown into tanks, bunkers, and equipment, causing devastating damage at a fraction of the cost of traditional weapons. But as electronic warfare and jamming grow more advanced, the next step has arrived: fiber-optic guided drones. These machines are tethered to their operators by lightweight cables that ensure secure communication, immune to jamming, high-speed, real-time data transmission, and extended range, allowing missions deep into contested airspace. Fiber-optic UAVs are the answer to modern counter-drone technologies, offering resilience and precision in environments where conventional drones would fail. From the experimental Kettering bug of World War I to the modern-day FPV kamikaze drones and fiber-optic UAVs, drones have become indispensable to warfare, intelligence, and innovation. As technology advances, the future holds even more possibilities: AI-driven drones, autonomous swarms, and machines capable of decision-making without human oversight.